Kraft. She's been teaching for 11 years and just started teaching environmental science at Garcia High School last year. It helped inspire students to understand climate change and how humans impact the world around them. She spent a lot of time last year getting professional development and implementing class provided by various organizations and especially from Friends of the Chicago River. This past year, Jennifer used Friends water testing kits both in her classroom and out at the river on field trips. She created lab situations for the students to test drinking water, pond water, and turtle water. In this way, her students became experts and know what to look for when they went on trips to the Chicago River, what was normal, what wasn't normal. Jennifer and her students tested the river's water quality during several trips. She took many trips. These trips also gave her students a first-hand look at the anthropogenic litter problems along the river and how litter affects the water quality. And I have a quote here, and I was going to read it, but you know what? We actually have Jennifer here, and I'm going to let her talk for herself. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the 2024 Friends of the Chicago River Educator of the Year is Jennifer Kraft.
Hi, thank you, Mark. I appreciate it. So I just want to say a few words. I first want to say a big thanks to Mark Hauser. I just started teaching environmental science just like a year ago, so I've only been teaching for about 2 years, but having the resources from Friends of the Chicago River has really opened up my curriculum. It's really guided my curriculum in so many ways, and that's why I'm able to be here right now, is because of the support from the Friends of the Chicago River. They have so many resources online, and I just really love and enjoy the resources. My students super enjoy the field trips. It actually really gives them access to a lot of SAT, hands-on curriculum stuff that people want to try to squeeze in, but I don't even have to squeeze it in because it's already there for the students to get it, and then then they'll see it again on the SAT or all these testings that they have to do. So it's nice for them to actually have these hands-on opportunities. So I would just really appreciate Friends of the Chicago River. I also want to thank my co-teachers, Julia and Miss Craig. Miss Craig couldn't be here today, but Julia's here, so thank you. So I'm just really, really grateful for this. It was a surprise, but I'm really grateful. My students really love the field trips. So if you're an educator out there and you haven't gone on the field trip and had your kids pick up the litter, them doing the hands-on, it just really opens the environment up to them and gives them hands-on opportunities so they can get, oh, this is interesting to me. A lot of my students, when it comes to environmental science, initially environmental science always interests them, but once they start doing the stuff and doing the hands-on, they just get super interested in it. So that's why I'm so appreciative to the Friends of the Chicago River. Thank you so much, I appreciate it.
I will say, the day I came to tell her, I went personally, and she was having a Christmas pizza party with her students, and she was absolutely shocked when I walked into the classroom and told them in front of everybody. I had been colluding with her principal for weeks to plan the day and come and award this, so that was a special privilege to do that. So another round of applause for her.